Good job, Landon. Looking good out there, buddy. Yeah, it's so much fun. Like a bicycle on the water, powered with your hands. We'll have a lot of fun when we get a tandem one. You're all right. You don't have to go so deep in the water because you're small. Just kind of skim the top. There you go. Just skim the top of the water. Good job. Turn to where he's at. I gotta bring him back this way. I better go get him. Hey Landon, paddle on your left side a couple of times. Get yourself turned this way. Just on the left side. Only paddle on the left side. Get turned back this way. There you go. Do it again. There you go. Keep turning it. There you go. There you go. Nice job, buddy. That was great. Yeah, just skim the water. You don't have to go real deep or paddle too hard. There you go. Nice, easy paddles. You don't have to kill yourself. Yeah, there you go. Nice work. Great job, buddy. I may just have to buy 3 kayaks. What do you think, bud?
It's fun.
It is, isn't it?
Really fun.
Awesome. You're getting the hang of it. Yeah, see if you want to turn, you just paddle on one side on the opposite side of what you want to turn on. There you go. Might just get him his own little boat.
Oh yeah. Like that.
He's getting away from us.
Oh, I know.
Oh no. Especially because we're going with the wind. He's cutting right through it. Doing awesome. You don't have to go too deep, just skim the water. There you go. Make sure your paddles are turned where they're going the right angle in the water. There you go, good turn. Dude, look at him go. You look so good, buddy. You're doing it. You're starting to get the hang of it, aren't you? hard part. We got to go against the wind here. Guys, really good. I didn't think he'd take to it like this. His paddle angle is decent every time. He's still kind of figuring out how hard to pull. But honestly, just throwing a 9-year-old in the kayak, letting him figure it out, he's doing really good. I think he's gonna bring it in.